accounting for partnership firm, and now we will be doing accounting for goodwill. Yes, here comes accounting. Earlier we were doing something relating to mathematics, calculation. Now we'll do accounting, the debit and credit, okay? So when we say goodwill, we must know what is goodwill premium. In fact, goodwill premium is the share of the newcoming partner, which newcoming partner will be bringing in the business as goodwill. Okay? So, goodwill premium is treated in different ways in our books of accounts, in terms of accounting. So, we have to do accounting for the goodwill premium. Remember, goodwill and goodwill premium are two different amounts. Goodwill belongs to the whole firm, okay? Whereas goodwill premium is in fact the share of the newcoming partner that he or she is bringing in the business to compensate old partners in terms of goodwill. Because now the newcoming partner will be enjoying goodwill of the firm as well. The newcoming partner is becoming partner in the firm, which is having a goodwill. So the newcoming partner will be bringing cash for his or her capital as well as cash in terms of the goodwill premium in order to compensate the old partners. So you'll see the accounting treatment, which is in fact depending upon 4 scenarios. Number 1 is goodwill raised and retained in the business as asset. Okay, we'll see in which case this happens, which is in which case that the goodwill is retained as an asset. And the second is goodwill is raised and written off. We raise the goodwill as an asset and then write off from the books of accounts. And then comes goodwill is brought in by the newcoming partner in cash, which is the goodwill premium. Okay, and the 4th scenario is that cash which is brought in by the newcoming partner in the business is withdrawn by the old partners. So these are the 4 scenarios for which we will do accounting. So your accounting attentions are required now. Okay, earlier you were having mathematical attentions. Now put your accounting attentions and see that how we will be doing these things. But before, just remember these tips. Okay, and what are the tips? That the amount that incoming partner pays for goodwill is in fact the goodwill premium, which is not the goodwill. And it is incoming partner's share in firm's goodwill. So these are the 2 tips. Keep it with you and wait for the next module, okay, in which we will learn these 4 scenarios for accounting for the goodwill premium or goodwill of the firm. Thank you.